What if I told you there's a new credit card in 2026 with a $695 annual fee, and it's so exclusive you need an invite just to apply? Is it a genius move or a total waste of money? And it's not alone. Two other cards are shaking up how we earn rewards. Let's break down the three new credit cards you absolutely need to know about this year. Welcome back to Credit Unlocked. The credit card world moves fast, and in 2026 it's exploding with new options. According to Doctor of Credit's weekly updates, over a dozen cards have launched or been announced just this year. But today, we're zeroing in on three that could be game changers for your wallet. First up, the Robinhood Platinum Card. It's invite-only as of March 2026, with that eye-popping $695 fee. But before you dismiss it, let's see what you're really getting. The Robinhood Platinum Card. Ask Sebi reviewed it in March, and here's the deal. It offers a flat 3% cash back on all purchases, no categories, no limits. Plus access to premium concierge services and a $1,000 travel credit annually. For big spenders, that could mean earning back the fee quickly. But is it worth it for the average person? If you spend less than $23,000 a year on the card, you might not break even. This card targets high net worth individuals, not casual users. Now, card number two, let's call it the travel disruptor. This one's not from a big bank. It's a fintech startup card launching in late 2026. It offers 5 times points on flights and hotels, but here's the twist. Points never expire and can be transferred to over 20 airline partners at a 1-to-1 ratio. No annual fee for the first year, then $150. Early data suggests it could outpace competitors for frequent travelers, especially with flexible redemption options. And card number three, the Cashback Innovator. This card focuses on everyday spending with a dynamic reward system. You earn up to 6% cash back in rotating categories like groceries, gas, and streaming. Automatically optimized based on your spending habits. No annual fee, and it includes cell phone protection up to $800 per claim. It's perfect for budget-conscious users who want maximum returns without juggling multiple cards. Launched in early 2026, it's already gaining traction for its simplicity and high yields. So how do these three stack up? Let's do a quick data-driven comparison. The Robinhood Platinum, best for high spenders wanting flat rewards and luxury perks. But that fee is a barrier. The Travel Disruptor, ideal for jet setters who value point flexibility and partner transfers. The Cashback Innovator, tops for everyday folks looking to optimize routine purchases with no hassle. Your choice depends on your spending patterns and goals. Remember, a new card should align with your financial habits, not just chase shiny offers. Here's a retention hook. Did you know that in 2026, the average American has 3.7 credit cards, but only uses 1.2 regularly? That means most of us are leaving rewards on the table. Picking the right new card could boost your earnings by hundreds of dollars a year. So which of these three speaks to you? Are you a big spider, a travel enthusiast, or a cashback maximizer? Think about it as we wrap up. All right, Credit Crew, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Which of these three 2026 cards are you most interested in and why? Is it the Robinhood Platinum with its high fee, the Travel Disruptor for your next trip, or the Cashback Innovator for daily savings? Let's discuss, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Credit Unlocked for more data-driven breakdowns. Your financial future starts here.